In this video we're going to look at the range of options available for wall soundproofing. To access these options, simply click on the tab marked Wall Soundproofing and you come through to a page of options available to you. Broadly speaking, the householder has two choices. First of all, a budgetary choice, and secondly, how much room size they want to lose. In general, the stick-on solutions will lose about 2 inches from your room space. The other option is to create an independent stud wall. While the soundproofing from an independent stud wall is going to be better, you are looking at around about 5 or even 6 inches room space loss, depending on the system you choose. Let's look briefly at the stick-on solutions, as these are our more popular solutions. These are very DIY-able and can normally be put up in a day just between two people who may not even be specialists at the job. The first of these stick-on solutions is the sound stop panel. This is simply a laminated plasterboard solution which sticks to your original wall. What you'll find with all our solutions is that there is a table at the bottom which gives you an idea of the performance of that particular solution. In this case, the sound stop panel will lose 52mm from your room, relatively low labour intensity, an idea of the airborne sound improvement you'll expect to achieve, and a rough idea of materials cost. As with all our solutions, you'll find a on-site calculator to calculate your materials needs. This is simply accessed by pressing this button here, which will bring up a solution calculator. In here you put in the size of the wall, for example a 2.4 meter length wall by a 2.2 meter high wall. If we press the add button, we can see the area calculated. We may want to do another area, it may be an alcove. Again, 2.4 by an area of 2.2, and we can add the sizes in this manner. Once we've added our areas, we can calculate and see what the total of the materials is. This will be all the materials for your solution, including the fixings and the materials required to make the wall a smooth, decoratable finish. You'll note that each of our calculators includes a wastage factor of around about 10%, so there's no need to add extra materials when ordering. Now let's return to some other solutions we have available. As we've seen the sound stop panel. There is also another solution which is known as the SS20 panel solution. The SS20 panel is another stick-on solution, losing just 45mm of room space. In this case, the heavy rubber mats are stuck to the wall, followed by 2 layers of acoustic plasterboard. Again, if you look at our comparison table, you'll see that the SS20 panel offers an improved level of acoustic protection, and as such is our premium slimline product. As with all our soundproofing pages, you'll see a calculator, so you can work out the materials costs and compare solution prices. In addition, on each page we have a set of fitting instructions that will give you a detailed guide on how to install the given solution. Simply click on the icon and then review or print off the information. And finally, we're going to look at the independent stud wall solutions. Typically these are made of wood or they can be made of metal. These are walls which sit in front of your existing party wall and they're lined with different products. In the simplest of these products, we line them with what's called a resilient bar, which is outlined in the independent stud wall solution. For those looking for the absolute maximum performance, we sell a product called the Genie Clip system, and the Genie Clip system will provide the top of the range performance for an independent stud wall. Let's have a quick look at the Genie Clip system. This unique system works with a Genie Clip that houses a lightweight metal bar called a furring strip. The design effectively floats the bars on your wall, such that they offer superior protection across all frequencies compared to resilient bars. And finally, before we leave soundproofing walls, I just want to touch on soundproofing a stud wall. This is often the case where you have existing internal walls which are causing you a problem, perhaps between a bathroom and a bedroom or between a lounge and a bedroom. This is just simply an idea of how to upgrade grade those existing sound stud walls without incurring too much space loss. This would typically be involving taking off one face of the plasterboard, lining the wall with the appropriate materials and hence upgrading it. Hopefully the video guide has given you more ideas as to the solutions available to you when attempting to install party wall soundproofing. Please remember that each page will have further, more detailed guides for that particular solution.